To manually sync your Bluetooth information to Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection and then tap Bluetooth. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select advanced setting. Tap sync with Samsung Cloud and then tap sync now to manually sync your paired Bluetooth devices information to Samsung Cloud. You can use sync now for certain conditions, such as when you are about to use your saved paired Bluetooth devices information in another device and you want to make sure that the sync data uses in another device is the newest one. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.